Chapter 4. Neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is a general term that identifies with the brain's ability to change itself, functionally and physically, in a life of a person, because of the environment, thinking, emotions, and behavior. Neuroplasticity has been known for quite a while. The possibility of a changing cerebrum has supplanted the once-held conviction that the grown-up mind was a static organ physiologically, or that it was hardwired after periods in our youth that formatted it. Principles of Neuroplasticity. The book Softwired by Dr. McKays explains how the brain plasticity in new science can revolutionize someone's brain. Dr. Merzenich lists few principles that can remodel your brain. 1. Change is constrained to those circumstances in which the brain is in the state of mind for it. If you are ready, on the ball, connected with, roused, good to go, the cerebrum discharges the neurochemicals important to empower mind change. 2. What changes in the cerebrum are the characteristics of the relationship of neurons that are secured together, step by step, in time. The more something is sharpened, the more affiliations are changed and made to fuse all segments of the experience, tangible information, development, psychological examples. You can consider it like an ace controller, being molded for that particular direction, which empowers it to be performed with striking office and reliability after some time. 3. Learning-driven changes in affiliations increase cell-to-cell coordinated effort, which is basic for growing resolute quality. Merzenich elucidates this by requesting you to imagine the sound from a football stadium stacked with fans all praising erratically versus similar individuals applauding as one. He clarifies, the more capable organized your nerve cell groups are, the more capable and more dependable their behavioral preparations. 4. Associations between groups of neurons and the brain are fortified such that they speak to isolate snapshots of progressive things that dependably happen in serial time. This empowers your brain to anticipate what happens next and have a diligent familiar stream. Without this limit, your nonstop stream would be diminished to a movement of discrete, stagnating puddles, illuminates Merzenich. 5. The beginning of changes are brief. Your cerebrum at first records the change, by then chooses in the event that it should reveal the change never ending or not. It just winds up doubtlessly interminable if your mind judges the experience to be enamoring or adequately novel, or if the behavioral outcome is basic, awesome, or horrendous. 6. The psyche is changed by internal mental practice in comparable ways and including precisely comparative techniques that control changes fulfilled through joint efforts with the external world. As demonstrated by Merzenich, you don't have to move an inch to drive positive plastic change in your mind. Your inside depictions of things investigated from memory work suitable for dynamic personality malleability-based learning. 7. Memory helpers and controls learning. As you take in another expertise, your cerebrum observes and recalls the great endeavors, while disposing of the not all that great try. At the point, it reviews the last great pass, makes incremental modifications, and dynamically progresses. 8. Each development of learning gives a snapshot of chance to the mind to balance out and lessen the problematic energy of, possibly meddling, foundations or noise. Each time your cerebrum reinforces an association by propelling your dominance of ability, it additionally debilitates different relationship of neurons that weren't used at the correct moment. This negative plastic personality change annihilates a part of the irrelevant or intruding activity in the cerebrum.